वेलकम बैक. मैं सिग्मा, मैं भाई, ये सिग्मा, and you are watching / listening to the Double Bond podcast. जो मैं अभी इतने जोर से चिल्ला रहा हूँ, मेरी मम्मी पापा को पता चल गया होगा कि पॉडकास्ट का नाम क्या है. बट टुडेज टॉपिक गाइज, सिग्मा ओवर हियर एज यूजुअल जो रैंट नॉर्मली देता है वो थोड़ी देर के लिए 5-10 मिनट के लिए जेंडर इक्वालिटी के बारे में रैंट देगा. एंड आई हैव फ्रेश वाटरमेलन टू ईट, सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी लिसनिंग लाइक यू गाइज. सो
स्टोरी टाइम वीडियो नहीं है
क्या? बट है तो लाइक रैंट ही ना. गो ऑन.
I'll get to the gender equality topic as we speak about something more controversial than this because content चाहिए. ठीक है? These are my thoughts. I'll just take a note from Google and all that about the record. So what we want to talk right now is about the elections which happened recently. एक ही डाउट है यार, like especially I'm talking about the Hyderabad elections.
Okay.
Elections in Telangana, not Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Elections in Telangana. I really don't understand what's wrong with people of Telangana and Andhra lately. Especially in election times. Andhra people chose Jagan, and Telangana people recently chose Congress.
Is that
Hey, I'm not a BJP fan. I'm not a BJP supporter. Forget it. I am not even into politics so much. I don't support any party. ठीक है, एक ही doubt है. The only doubt I have is why Congress? TRS, the leading party till now, which is renamed as BRS now for some reason. I don't know. They were like super good. Bhai, literally all the ministers were like proper in BRS party. The development, when I used to live in Hyderabad, it was where I used to live in Hyderabad till I was in 4th class. And trust me, there's a small regret why I left Hyderabad and came to Chennai.
Okay. Yeah, obviously.
Because Hyderabad is like, it's one of the best cities. It has crossed Bangalore recently in statistics in one of the best cities in India for living.
Damn. Okay.
It is that good. Bhai, if there is any place other than tourism and all that I would suggest you to go, I would tell you to go to Hyderabad. So yeah, it was like the state in which Hyderabad is right now and the Telangana is right now is all because of क्यों हंस रहा है?
Okay, go on. My whole thought process right now is like, मुझे क्या, मैं तो कर रहा था. Go on.
The BRS, the state of Telangana right now, if it's that good, if it's in that level, it is all because of the BRS party. And now people chose Congress. Why? No, okay, fine, I accept. ठीक है, change is good. I have this question to the whole, system. Not system,
hard thing.
Not like system. Like people of India or any country or anybody, they want change. Except change can be good. But if the change is not good, man, you're stuck with your ex for like 4 years straight. No, okay. If you are not, liking the change, you're suffocating for the next 4 years. At least according here in India, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. And about BJP, after BJP came, like, I don't have any problem with BJP leaving.
Yeah.
Neither do I have a problem of it with staying. Because dono is like I don't really trust, and like trust BJP has built in people. Forget me.
Yeah.
Built in people. People don't want to change because it's the point about whole country. Then why do you want to change from BRS to Congress? I have a question on that, because if you want change, how many years has Modi been ruling?
About 8, 9, 8.
8? No.
2014 na? No, 10.
10 years.
Yeah, it's 5 years, na.
5?
The term, yeah, 5 years term.
Shit, I keep calculating
It's
World
4.
Cup. I keep calculating World Cup, man. Okay,
Same,
fine.
kind of same.
Yeah, so basically, like, 10 years, samajh lo. 10 years. He has built a trust which nobody can break.
Yeah.
And moreover, like, there is this religional front which I talked about in one of the other videos. You pin it up right there. Okay?
Go on.
So I told in that one also, political parties, especially BJP party, has put up the Hindu front. So basically, it's basically hard to even break that notion now. And the main question is, I have this question to people, especially in like state politics and all that. Yes, I agree you want change. Then if you want such change, why don't you bring it on the national front too? If BJP has built such of a trust in your head, same thing, why did BRS not build a sense of trust in people?
And why did they change to
Congress? And the point, the whole social media is ranting about why Congress came. नहीं मेरे को एक चीज समझ में नहीं आती. If the whole social media is against Congress, who the fuck is voting for Congress? Even when Jagan came, everyone around me, everyone in the social media were like, we voted for Telugu Desam party, we voted for Chandrababu Naidu. Even my family voted for Chandrababu Naidu only.
Yeah.
Everybody around me also voted for Chandrababu Naidu. How did Jagan come into the role then? किसने वोट कर दिया उसको?
मुझे क्या लगता है this like whole political thing ना, elections and वो सब, उसमें normally होता क्या है? होता ही है.
Okay, wait. I'll tell you this thing directly. ठीक है? I have people I know. ठीक है? I have people I know and they have their relatives are in Congress party.
Yeah.
Their relatives are in Congress party, and when the election recently happened in India, in Telangana, especially I'm talking Telangana, when it happened in Telangana, one of my relatives literally said ki they came to know that they distributed money. It's common in India. I don't know about other countries, but it's common in India. Forget all that, Telangana also. The last time elections happened in Chennai.
Yeah.
My parents themselves heard out people in the election polling place saying they gave us this much amount of money to actually cast the vote.
The simple working, according to a teenager who doesn't know anything about politics, is कि जो movies में दिखाया जाता है वो I think is 70% true where it comes to elections में पैसे दिए जाते हैं, पैसे भरे जाते हैं. Rural areas vote the most because हम तो urban है, हमें तो we don't have time to vote for the country, to vote for a better change. So what the netas do or the politicians do is that they tend to go to the rural areas क्योंकि उनके पास पैसा नहीं है, उनको उतना education नहीं है इन सब चीज़ों में, they don't know that much. So what they do, they just go, they feed money, they feed liquor. I don't know if they feed liquor, but
I don't know about the liquor.
But they might do all that, and that's how they get most of the votes, because rural India votes more than urban India, और urban India में लोग चूतिए हैं.
Okay, I don't know where that comment came from.
हम लोग भी जाने वाले हैं, because हम लोग 18 के हो गए हम.
And so the main point now, how I'm gonna connect this to gender equality is
here we go, guys, after 15 minutes.
It's cool. Okay, fine.
It's fine.
This video is going to be short. So, in Telangana, when Congress won, they told free RTC rights for women. Okay. I'm not trying to show toxic masculinity or some misogynistic, all those word shit here, but but my question is, you're women empowerment. Okay, fine. Women empowerment. You want to empower women. Okay, कब तक चलेगा? Till when? We are in 2023. You know, in many places, women are already like, you know, higher than men. I don't have a problem. I really don't give a shit also. Okay? I just work on my stuff. I really give competition to a human being who's working better than me. I don't give a shit about that person if he's male, transgender or female. Okay? So basically, I have this question is, women empowerment बोल रहे हो, women empowerment बोलते रह रहे हो कितनी देर? For how long? I don't have a problem, ठीक है? Look, this, you know, RTC right shit and all, I don't have a problem with this. तुम करो. I don't have a problem, but this is just my opinion. Like till when? कब तक चलेगा? You tell बेटी बचाओ, बेटी बढ़ाओ, okay, till there is fine. You tell education for girls, अब वो ज़माना रहा भी नहीं है. ठीक है, अब वो ज़माना रहा भी नहीं है. लाइक यू नो, ऐसे छपरी लोगों के लड़कियां नहीं पढ़ रही स्कूल से. ठीक है, इतने सारी लड़कियां तो हो ही गई है. आई डोंट हैव ए प्रॉब्लम, बट द पॉइंट इज कब तक एम्पावर करोगे जब एम्पावरिंग की जरूरत ही नहीं है. यू आर पैम्परिंग नाउ. फ्रॉम एम्पावरिंग इट हैज कम टू पैम्परिंग.
व्हाट आई थिंक राइट इज, तेरा जो ओपिनियन है, तेरा जो व्यू है, वो इट इज कंप्लीटली अर्बनाइज्ड. So
yeah, true.
At a point, it's like, okay, India is the most populous country. There are, I don't know, X number of girls, Y number of boys. But rural India, mein, till now, there is a very huge, that, you know, that conservative nature in families wherein like women aren't treated well.
Okay.
उस specific, like, उन specific districts में, I think the political parties must actually do something. वो obviously वो नेता
Aren't they already giving money for elections?
They do, but like, you know, they do give money, but money is not the only thing they can like. भाई तू सोच, तू रूरल इंडिया में रहता है, तेरी एक फैमिली है, ठीक है, तेरी एक बेटी है, एक बड़ा बेटा है. अब तेरे बड़े बेटे के अलावा तू किसको बताएगा कि मुझे पैसा मिला है इसको वोट डालने के लिए? किसको? लाइक honestly tell, out of your 5 friends including your son, or like 4 friends and including your son, who are the other 10 people you're going to say कि हाँ इस नेता ने मुझे पैसे दिए? किसको बताए? बेटियों को तू बताएगा नहीं, कुछ तेरे दिमाग में क्या है? बेटी should be in the kitchen, she should be working. भाई ये मुझे seriously, India is such a grown country at places, and at places it's such a bad country. I don't know how, like, you know, it'll become the 4th, 5th largest GDP. पता नहीं, पर did you know, completely like screwing the whole previous topic, did you know कि G20 हुआ था इंडिया में, दिल्ली में पिछले like this year. For them it's पिछले year, for us we are still in 2023, but G20 हुआ था and Narendra Modi sat from the side of Bharat, not India. Because all the parties from all over the country are going on an anti-BJP raid, as you may already know, viewers. महानेता हो तुम लोग तो आपको तो पता ही होगा, but they are going on this anti-BJP, you know, sort of train, and that's why they didn't use the word India, because it's like some, you know, some term for anti-BJP government policy, which might come into effect during elections, which is the time you are watching this video. I don't want that. Honestly, भाई बीजेपी इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, मत करो प्लीज. तुम लोग पता है मुझे ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज हो, मत करो ना प्लीज. हम लोग इतने अच्छे से फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को.
And like, you know, I saw this one comment somewhere.
Yeah.
Tweet, comment, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Some guy on the internet said if UP was there on the border of Pakistan rather than Punjab, Pakistan wouldn't exist.
But UP has a border with Punjab?
No. I'm telling, some guy tweeted, if UP shared a border with Pakistan,
Pakistan.
there wouldn't be Pakistan. कट्टे लेके चले जाते वहाँ पे, मार देते सबको।
नहीं भाई, यूपी वाले बहुत भाई, यूपी वाले हरियाणा सब क्लास पीपल, नो ऑफेंस, लाइक रियली होना है ना वैसे होना है। लिटरली मेरा स्पॉटिफाई रैप भी नोएडा वाला आ रहा है। तुझे आया था? तू सुनता? ये तो गाने भी नहीं सुनता।
नहीं अभी शुरू कर।
हाँ, अनूप जैन के चौधरी। जेंडर इक्वालिटी, लाइक ऑलरेडी इंडिया में देयर इज सच अ बैड फेज ऑफ जेंडर इक्वालिटी गोइंग ऑन कि बॉयज आर डोमिनेंट, गर्ल्स आर नॉट डोमिनेंट, ये वो और इनको, इन बहन के लोड़ों को, they want to change their genders, they want to bring in more genders, and apparently मैंने न्यूज़ में पढ़ा, बट इंस्टा न्यूज़ यू कैन बिलीव इट, यू कैन बिलीव इट, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू। मैंने न्यूज़ में पढ़ा कि महाराष्ट्र इज गोइंग टू अलाउ टू गिव फ्री एजुकेशन to transgender and non-binary
that is fine
people.
That is good only. Because देखो, if you do that to girls now, I would call it pampering rather than empowering, because there is already a very good amount of women now getting empowered. Rural areas में है तो वहाँ चलाओ ना।
नहीं, मुझे प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Are they different? No.
Who?
The transgender people,
They are different.
They aren't different.
No. I don't mean like the body wise different. If you see from a social point of view, not everybody look at them like us.
Simple है. They don't want to be differentiated, and we are differentiating them by giving them free education. So what's the whole point?
If you see like that, we should question the whole caste system in India.
Topic for the next episode.
If you see like that, the whole caste system in India should be question. Fuck it, next episode. इस episode में अभी तक उतना content भी नहीं हुआ, भर लेते हैं. So now let's talk about caste system in India. Personal topic about personal topic.
मुझे I swear to God, I have zero clue about castes, and मुझे I don't know what caste system is. Go on.
First, let's tell our castes. I am OC general. This guy is Brahmin, comes under OC general only. ठीक है? Okay, yeah. कब? I don't know when the caste system was invented. Let me see.
मकबैंग वीडियो बन चुकी है गाइस.
Okay. The caste system in India started
Fucking hell, that's
1000 to
a lot
500
of years
BCE.
So almost 3000
नहीं
years.
No. I have this one doubt. So basically, you want to keep changing stuff which came in the present time. No, abhi something happens wrong now. You want to change it immediately. But something happened before a god was even born and which was wrong, but you don't want to change it now. नहीं है, दिमाग नहीं है, गधे. नहीं, भगवान से पहले जो शुरू हुआ था गलती अभी तक कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो, लेकिन जो गलती अभी कर रहे हो उसको सुधारने में लगे हो, लेकिन जो गलती पहले से हो रही है उसको नहीं सुधारना. You know how much lives are getting affected because of that. Like, I told you, right? What is this? A woman empowerment. It is okay. I wouldn't say it complete pampering now. I would change my words. Okay? It is somewhere between empowering and pampering. Okay? It is going to touch pampering in the coming 5 to 10 years. The transgender, if it continues.
In urban areas.
Yes, and about transgender, all these things, LGBTQ, it is empowering. ठीक है, it is empowering.
Which they don't want.
I don't know about that. उनको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. And about caste system, it has already crossed the level of pampering long ago. Long ago.
वो तो जब जेई में चुदी पड़ी थी तभी पता चल गया.
वही. नहीं, I don't understand this point, man.
Yeah.
Just because, his ancestors cleaned bathrooms back then, this man now, who's already rich, gets a special status when I am struggling my ass off here. Just because my caste was, my caste people were rich back then. मैंने क्या गलती की यार? Why are you giving punishment of somebody
Else.
so long ago
हाँ.
before a god was even born? I really don't understand this point. Okay, yes, I should really think like, you know, this caste system should be changed, because the way the
Everyone.
world sees right now, the way the world is, you know, tested right now has changed. Back then, yes, there are different classes of people, and that is how people were seen, that is how people were tested back then.
Yeah.
But now in the modern day, people are tested based on their economical status, what they hold.
Poor or
Yeah, poor or rich.
disparity.
Uske according you should give like, you know, you should give incentives, or you should make schemes, or you should like JEE mein you should give them percentage cutoffs for different levels. For example, iski like for example, two people, one guy is like super rich and one guy is like super poor. ठीक है? Anyways, the end point should be knowledge testing. The end point should be knowledge testing. But fine, ठीक है, economical background we'll add. ठीक है? And we add economical background. If this guy, poor guy, has scored a bit lesser, then he can be given a, like, you know, lesser cutoff. That makes sense. But if you tell me now कि नहीं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, economical भैंचोद कैट सिस्टम तो बड़ी गलती नहीं है. Economic पे आते हो तुम लोग.
I'll tell you, okay. The whole point what Sigma is trying to convey has only one fault, and that is हम दो हमारे दो. That policy they introduced back in the 90s, I suppose, was, to be honest, I think the worst decision of India.
And you know why the caste system, this thing is not changing in India?
Because of people.
Forget
Population.
people. Yeah, that is like, you know, look, okay, we OCs, the
Yeah.
dominant, caste
Majority
in
of
India
caste, हाँ.
है.
हाँ.
But if you compare that, it is almost equal or a bit lesser
Mhm.
to the other, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, everything.
Mhm.
By mistake, also a political party makes the, mistake of, removing the caste system. चुद जाएगी वो party.
वो तो है, cause अभी like महाराष्ट्र में there's a political what do you call it, turmoil about the caste system. People from Maharashtra might know. It's this guy who is from SC/ST and like the backward classes, and he's asking the government of Maharashtra to reserve more for them, because there are more people who are backward class in Maharashtra, apparently from this guy's knowledge. I don't know, like इतने प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है, इंडिया में लोग ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज लोग ज़्यादा है, the simple thought of demolishing the caste system is like very painful and very longer term. It won't, like, you snap, khatam, nobody remembers any caste, nobody has a caste in India. ऐसे नहीं होगा, ये होगा तो बहुत टाइम लेके होगा और बहुत ही ज़्यादा दंगे होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा फसाद होंगे. Anything can happen, because when it comes to caste, people in India, when it comes to religion again, people in India are more sentimental towards what they follow or what they have been following. No matter हमारे ancestors ने क्या किया, उनके ancestors ने क्या किया, किसने British के साथ, they've tied up with the British, who didn't tie up with the British, who were ruled by the British. It's all a long story, and there are 1.4 billion people in the country, so it is not possible to demolish it.
Makes sense. That's basically everything.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode.